How to fix gaps in teeth without getting braces. If you cannot afford braces, you should seek other affordable ways of fixing the gaps in your teeth. A mismatch in the size of your jawbones can cause extra space between your teeth. Here are some techniques that you can use to fix such gaps. Invisalign. Invisalign braces are great for closing the gaps in your teeth as well as straightening crooked teeth. Although small gaps can be fixed using bonding and veneers, you should invest in Invisalign to close big gaps. Invisalign is a clear aligner that corrects your teeth without announcing its presence. It is expensive, but less expensive than traditional braces, and it works to close the gaps between your teeth. Dental bonding. If you want a quick fix for large gaps, you should try tooth bonding. A tooth-colored resin will be applied to your tooth and hardened using a special light. In just a few hours, your tooth will look normal even if it was chipped or broken. Although the material used to make dental bonding is stain-resistant to an extent, it is not as resistant as crowns. Veneers and crowns. A porcelain veneer refers to a thin shell that can be bonded to the front of your tooth. However, the dentist will remove a small portion of your enamel before attaching the veneer. On the other hand, dental crowns are designed to fit over most of your tooth. A crown is meant to fix damage caused by trauma or decay. Dentures. This is a removable replacement for your teeth, and you can opt for partial or complete dentures. People usually opt for dentures when they have removed several teeth and their overall health and that of their mouth is in question. If you have small gaps, these dentures will act as removable implants. Implants. Dental implants can be either removable or fixed teeth that match your natural set of teeth. If you have a foot-tooth wide gap, you should opt for implants. An artificial enamel tooth will be inserted into your gum or bone. Skilled professionals are the only ones who can perform this medical procedure. The success rate for dental implants is 98%, but they are weaker than natural teeth. Too much pressure can dislodge an implant, but normal usage will not. Once you get used to the implant, you will not be able to differentiate it from your natural teeth. Thanks for watching. For more videos, do subscribe and stay with us.